Hey guys, so I actually forgot to record an outro, or sorry, an intro. In all honesty though, I didn't expect this place to be that good that I'd record it. So I came a little unprepared with a low GoPro battery. But it was really cool and it felt like, made you feel like you're in Thailand if you've been. The location I'm at is actually right in front of Silom Market. If you Google it, it'll take you right there on Hollywood Boulevard. It's usually a Thai supermarket, but when they close it at night, they open up this nice stall, as you can see, where they cook up food for only $10, which, for Thai food in downtown LA or even downtown Toronto, from my experience, is really, really cheap. So I feel like they got a lot of key aspects of this Thai kind of experience, right? From the cooking to the seating. So the cooking, as you can see, they cook it on a very high heat wok, and you can just walk by, record it. I mean, the guy is extremely friendly. He's like, "Do you want a better shot?" I said, "No, this is amazing for me," and I feel like this is what I feel like Western Thai restaurants are missing. That smoky flavor, that to the wok, that adds to the Thai cooking. I say that is one of the biggest difference between Thai food in Thailand and in North America. Anyways, just enjoy the video. I do eat both a pad siu and a pad thai. So, thanks for being here, guys. Peace. Oh, that's me. Hi, sorry. Here you go. Hey guys, so the food just got here. This is the pad siu with pork, I believe, Chinese broccoli, and this is the pad thai, the one I just filmed cooking. Man, it was so cool watching them cook, man. It was like so smoky. Ooh, you know what? I gotta bless it with some chilies real quick. I gotta McQueen's it up. Oh yeah, I think it's good. I think throw a little bit here. Some of the, oh, that one's sugar. It was interesting watching the guy cook, man. It was so smoky. It was very flavorful. You could smell it in the air. I mean, that's kind of what caught me walking by here earlier. I thought, hey, why not check it out? Let's try this pad siu out. Yo. Okay. Yeah, you can definitely taste the smokiness from the wok. Yeah, the way the guy cooked it, amazing. You gotta cook it on such a high temperature to get this kind of smoky point, smoky flavor, you know what I mean? In comparison to the one I had in Thailand, this is not as sweet, but still very, very good. Both dishes are only $10. Tax free, so 20 bucks for two. Obviously you can't compare the prices to Thailand, that's unfair. But in terms of flavor, I'll definitely come back here. Alright guys, time for the pad thai. This comes with, doesn't actually come with any pork. This one comes with dried shrimp. And yeah, this is also very fragrant, very smoky. I'll let you know how it is. Let's give it a shot. That's thick. Oh, that's a very thick pad thai. It's almost like there's a thin layer of gravy. Have another bite. These are little dried shrimp I was talking about that comes with it.
Yeah. And she actually is like,
It's not bad. Sweet. Quite a bit of coating to it. I think I prefer the pad siu. Overall, not bad. So here's me again in real time. Overall, I'll give this place an 8 out of 10. Definitely worth the trip on coming out here if you ever catch yourself in LA and are in the mood for some late night Thai food. I wish I had more batteries on my GoPro, but right after this, we went to a nice little street food market, as you can see, and it was just down the street from Silom Market, and it legit felt like I was in Thailand, just with more pricier things, of course. I ended up picking up a couple beef skewers and sticky rice for $1 each, and wow, was it amazing. Cooked right over the charcoal. I highly recommend grabbing as many as you can if you come here. For $1 each, you can't go wrong. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you for the next food adventure. Peace.